Namaskaram. Hello and welcome. We got so many comments from you guys telling us that we should wear traditional Indian clothes in our reels. And now we have finally ordered some clothes and we are going to open them right now. We ordered from Sankranthiki designers and we have the box right here.
It's very.
It's so heavy.
It's heavy and
7 kilo.
It's big.
So
looking forward to see what is it.
Yeah, we're going to open right now.
To be very careful because it's fabric. So everything will roll. Nice. It's so huge, the box.
Yeah.
Alright. Yes. Oh my god. It's treasure. What?
Nice.
It's so nice. Look at this. Oh my god. High fashion. No way. Look at this, guys. Which nice colors. Fits me well.
Maybe we should put it on the floor and we can take one.
We can put it just on the table. We have a very big table.
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
What a nice color.
so nice colors.
Look at this.
Whoa, what is this?
Oh,
This is the kurta. This is the, like
It's just
DJ
amazing.
Tillu style kurta.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
Look at that.
this must. It's
Sure. It's for you, I think.
to the wonderful couple, wishing you both all the very best for your future endeavors.
It's just art. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this color. It's just amazing. The beautiful color. The fabric. I'm
Wow.
looking forward to try it. Oh my god.
Look at this, look at the shining. It's
It's not. Yes, it's a DJ.
I ordered this for DJ Tillu.
DJ Tillu. Yes. Yes.
And it's my size.
High fashion. It's high fashion design.
Sparkling.
Wow, but look at this. Look at this. So amazing color. Guys, it's fantastic. And so big. Oh my god. It's just a fantasy. It's royal style.
I think it's,
So
yeah,
we're a king.
because it should be, I think this is the one we're trying to imitate the Srivalli from
Yeah.
Pushpa's wife.
Oh my god. Nice. Wow, guys, look at this. Oh, it's wonderful color.
Wow.
It's just amazing. We need to watch a video tutorials.
We will just ask our Telugu friends to.
Yes. Oh my god.
This is for this one.
Okay. It's also top. Oh, it's just amazing.
Very
Guys, it's just amazing. Yes.
custom tailored
Also,
black shirt,
black shirt.
high quality.
Oh my god, it's never ending. It's so much. I'm so happy. It's exactly that you needed. Skirt
I think
for the
this
top.
is for
Guys, look
Pushpa.
at this. Oh, so soft and so natural colors.
My brother is fashion designer. I think he will be interested to watch this video.
Yes. Hello to Ivan. I can also wear this shirt.
shirt.
Photo.
You're just jealous on my shirt.
I don't know which video are showing a color, but it's so nice.
I'm looking forward to wearing this. And now I think it's time we go and try all of these clothes. Let's go try them.
Let's go try it.
Green shirt and green white half saree. I love this shirt. It's absolutely impossible to find something like this in Sweden.
Bright and light half saree looks very nice on me. I feel like Asian flower, like lotus. Very fresh style.
Time for Sankranthiki Vasthunam with Victory Venkatesh. Fabulous!
Enti, devi cola?
Ce добра нимота.
Sorry, ba. Novia ba.
This is my favorite also, I think.
I feel myself like a rose.
Yes. Jack and Rose.
And rose.
Titanic.
What do you see?
Yeah, write in the comments which is your favorite of the clothes that we have showed you in this video.
Subscribe.
And subscribe.
This emerald green outfit makes me look like Srivalli from Pushpa film.
Now my shirt is not so similar to Pushpa's shirts, but I really like this shirt. It's so beautiful. It's time for DJ Tillu and Radhika. The DJ Tillu kurta is definitely my favorite so far. It's like so flexible, super comfortable, and like soft, and it looks so stylish. I'm gonna do all the DJ Tillu scenes in this kurta from now on.
Black saree looks very mysterious and posh, like Radhika. Suits perfect with DJ Tillu.
Atluntari mana dhoti.